Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ray Hutchins, and I'm here with my partner, Mitch Tanenbaum, and we've got some interesting stuff to talk about today. Um, so our company, Turnkey Cybersecurity and Privacy Solutions, we offer various turnkey cybersecurity programs. We've got a NIST program, NIST CSF, cybersecurity and privacy programs. We've got also SSDF, secure software development, by the way. But then we also have the DoD program, DoD 800-171. We've got a program for high net worth individuals. We just launched a new program, which is a cloud program. So what this is, if you're a company and you've got an application, a SaaS application, and you let your clients use your SaaS application and put their data in your application, well, don't you want to be in a position where you can represent to them that you have implemented a good cybersecurity program and give them some evidence thereof to gain their confidence that you're taking care of the data properly? That's what we've got here. Our program helps you do that. And I'll let Mitch, our Chief Information Security Officer, tell you more about that. Mitch?
Thanks, Ray. And I think you make some good points there. You know, if you are running a cloud application, your customer is trusting you that you're going to protect your customer's data. And, you know, if you listen to the news ever, you know that there's, you know, seems to be the breach of the day. So customers have a reasonable concern about the protection of that data. So historically, what people have done is people have used the AI CPA's SOC program to go off and give people an attestation. What the SOC program does is it tells people that you have some policies and that for the most part you're following those policies. It really doesn't talk that much about security. And as a result, it's really not suitable for a software as a service application. That doesn't mean that AI CPA won't push it for that, but it's really not suitable for it. The Cloud Security Alliance, the CSA, has created this program called the STAR program, and the STAR program has multiple levels. You can do a self-attestation and then a third-party attestation and several other certifications and stuff. But it is designed not by accountants, but it's designed by security professionals, and it is specifically designed for cloud applications. If you're not running cloud applications today, you're likely to be moving your applications to the cloud relatively quickly. So our program is basically, it's a multi-step program. It starts with a pre-assessment, which helps you get ready. And if you're in that boat of, gee, we're moving to the cloud now, well, then the pre-assessment, that's the perfect time to do the pre-assessment, because you now are designing what you're moving to the cloud. What you don't want to do, and really bad strategy, is a forklift upgrade. You have an application that ran internally on dedicated servers, you pick it up and move it to the cloud. That's a really bad idea, because the security risks in the cloud are very different than they are inside your own data center. So that's where you start. You then move to a guided self-assessment where we help you complete that, and you load that. At that point, you can put the CSA STAR logo on your website, and you can represent yourself that you're part of the STAR program. You can also join the CSA as a corporate member, but you're not required to do that. The next step up from that is a third-party assessment. That's where we would go attest to that we've reviewed what you've done and that we believe it's accurate. And then you also have certifications. So that's a whole program. You can start at the very bottom, which is where we recommend people start. And that will give your customers, and you market that, of course, that will give your customers a degree of comfort that you're taking cybersecurity seriously. So, Ray?
Thank you, Mitch. It's very good. So if any of you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to contact us directly, and we can tell you more. Thank you.
Thanks.